how to sell PiCoin on Bitget. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to sell PiCoin on Bitget. So first thing, just open up your Bitget application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. Now simply head over to the assets section from the bottom right corner. So once you're inside your assets section, just come over to the spot option or futures option from the top of your menu, and once you're inside here, just select your Pi option. There is your Pi network and simply tap on that. So once you tap on that, just scroll down and click on this trade option over here. And then you should be redirected to this page where you can easily toggle on between buying and selling. So simply click on sell. So once you click on sell, just choose your order type, which is usually market, because it helps you for the instantaneous payment or instantaneous option, as you don't have to wait for profit or loss. And you can just tap on the sell Pi after entering the amount you desire. So once you are satisfied, simply click on confirm, and just like that, you have successfully sold PiCoin on Bitget. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.